Good morning everyone. Welcome back to VSA Academy. I'm Naveen, your English spoken trainer. लास्ट क्लास हम जो ली थी वो हम लोगों ने बात की थी डेली एक्शन वर्ड्स की. द एक्शन विच हैव बीन डन फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम इट्स बीन डन राइट नाउ एंड विल बी डन इन द फ्यूचर. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जो कि हम लोग बहुत समय से इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, अभी भी कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे, वो एक्शंस वर्ड्स थे, वो वर्ब्स थी, हम लोगों ने बात की थी. मैंने आपको बताया था कि यहाँ पर जो हम लोग एक्शन वर्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एक्चुअली वो एक्शन वर्ब है. वर्ब को हम लोग एक्शन भी बोलते हैं. लाइक एक एक्शन में जिसका आपको एग्जांपल दूंगा, स्पीक मीन्स बोलना. मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ तो बोलना यहाँ पर एक एक्शन है, एक वर्ब है. एक्शन डेली एक्शंस के लिए हम लोग बोलना और स्पीक का यूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा एक्शन है जो कि बहुत लंबे समय से हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. हम लोग आज भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं और हम लोग आगे भी यूज़ करते रहेंगे. इट्स लाइक अ हैबिचुअल वर्ब, हैबिचुअल एक्शन विच इज़ विल बी कंटिन्यू फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम टिल आवर डेथ, वी कैन से दैट. स्पीक जो एक ऐसा एक्शन है जो हम लोग जब से हमारे चाइल्डहुड है तब से हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, अभी भी हम बोलते हैं और आगे भी हम बोलते रहेंगे. जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ, आप बोलते हैं, मैं सुनता हूँ, आप सुनते हैं. पक्षी उड़ते हैं, बच्चे खेलते हैं, पतंग उड़ती है, फिल्म चलती है. दीज काइंड ऑफ द एक्शंस, चलना, बोलना, उड़ना, खेलना, सीखना, ये जो है ये एक्शन वर्ब्स हैं. सो नाउ अभी हम लोगों ने बात की थी डेली एक्शन वर्ब्स के सेंटेंसेस की, लाइक सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यहाँ पर यूज होगी और ऑब्जेक्ट. लाइक मैं बोलता हूँ, मेरे पास एक सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है, मैं बोलता हूँ. आई सब्जेक्ट, आई सब्जेक्ट जो है आई स्पीक, आई स्पीक. सेकेंड सेंटेंस है मैं शब्द बोलता हूँ, मैं शब्द बोलता हूँ. फिर वही सेंटेंस आई स्पीक. अब की बार हमारे पास यहाँ पे सेंटेंस के अंदर एक ऑब्जेक्ट नज़र आ रहा है, हमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट नज़र आ रहा है. आई स्पीक शब्द, ऑब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास यहाँ पे वर्ड. आई स्पीक वर्ड्स, मैं शब्दों को बोलता हूँ. इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस के अंदर हम लोगों ने नेगेटिव यूज़ करना सीखा था. नेगेटिव वर्ड्स के अंदर मैंने आपको बताया था कि हमारे पास जो वर्ब्स होती है, जो एक्शंस होते हैं, वो हमेशा वो प्लूरल्स में होते हैं. जैसे कोई भी एक वर्ब हम लोग यहाँ पर ले लेते हैं, मैं यहाँ पर एक वर्ब ले रहा हूँ राइट. ये हमारे पास इस समय प्लूरल में है. अगर मैं इसको सिंगुलर बनाऊंगा तो मुझे इसके अंदर यहाँ पर यूज़ करना पड़ेगा एस या ई एस. एस या ई एस बनाने से ये हमारे पास सिंगुलर यूज़ होगा, ये सिंगुलर रहेगा. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. ऑल द वर्ब्स वी हैव इन दिस नेचर, all the verbs, what we see, what we listen, what we speak, are in the plural forms. Now what we do, if we've got the any of the subjects we've got, or the subject is in singular form, then we will have to use a singular verb there. Singular verb means actually a verb is always in a plural form. So it is it's actually it's mandatory that all the verbs which we see in the around us, they are in the plural form. And how to make the verbs in the singular form? We can make the verbs in the singular form by adding s or es there, like anything, like sleep. Sleep is a verb for sona, it's in the plural form. How to make it in the singular form? We will use to have sleep or sleeps. It's wrong, it's right. We will use only sleep s here. Okay, so yeah, now let's move to the other sentences. If I want to make the negative sentence of this, I will have to use with do. Do is our time word. Do is our time word to make the question. We will have to use do before the sentence. Do I speak? Do I speak? Where do we use do? or where do we use does? Where do we use do and where do we use does? Do we use for plural, just like I, we, you, they, and plural. And I have told you, if you want to use singular, like she is a singular, he is a singular, any name, singular name is singular, it is singular, we will have to use do the same, but we will use s and es before it, and we will add es here. I believe that you are getting my point, what I am trying to tell you here. Now let's move here. So if we want to make the question, and question is interrogative, it is called interrogative sentences. So we have a question here, I go to, this is the verb, action and verb, we call it I go to school, I go to school. And I'll have to, if I want to ask the question here, then I'll use do before I. Got it? And if we have any subject in the third form, like she goes to school. If I want to make an interrogative sentence, if we can say that it's an affirmative sentence, positive sentence, affirmative sentence, and I want to use a interrogative sentence here, interrogative. It's obvious that we've got she here, goes, we will not use go, school and do. Do she go to school? Is it right? No. Put a question mark here. Do she go to right? No. We had s or es in affirmative sentence when we were just speaking a affirmative sentence, a flat sentence, she goes to school. If I now ask the question here, I will have to use do and does before she, because she is third person, and we will have to use she with does. Same, we've got a word here, rider. Rider rides a bike. Why did I use rides here? Because rider is a singular subject, we need a singular verb. We need a singular verb to make a complete sentence, a perfect sentence, a right sentence. So we will use rides before, after rider, because we have a singular subject here, and always, just remember a thing, a singular subject always takes a singular verb. So rider, ride is a plural verb, and we made it singular by adding s and es here. I believe that you are, I'm guessing that you are getting my points, what I'm trying to tell you here. I just, in a simple sentence, I just want to tell you that simple subjects need a simple subject, a singular subject needs a singular verb, and a plural subject needs a plural verb here. So we have another sentence like driver. Driver drive or drives a car. What should we have? What should be the answer? What should be answer? I'm asking to you. Drive or drives? Yes. Driver drives is the right answer here. Why? Because driver is a singular subject. Okay? Driver is a singular subject and he needs a singular verb. And we have made driver a singular word by adding s or es here. So we have used s here. Now write the same question for the same sentence here. We have driver drives a car. Okay, and we are going to make an interrogative sentence by it. So if we want to ask the question, we should use do before the question. Okay, do driver drives a car, and here we got a mistake here. What? We are using do here before the sentence, and the same time we are using es or as in the verb. So we can't use the both. We can't use, this is singular and this is singular. So we can't use singular here. So we will have to remove as here, and it would be drive, and we will add es here, question mark. So this right sentence is, does driver drives a car, question mark. Okay, so this driver, actually there I had a mistake. I actually made a mistake here. I just wrote drive, drive instead of driver. So I just made it right, driver. Driver is a word. Driver means any person who just drives, like a four-wheeler, basically four-wheeler. What is the difference between a rider and a driver? This is a simple thing. People doesn't know. People don't know about it. So I'm just trying to tell you here, just rider, and what is the difference between a rider and a driver. People don't know do that. So a rider is a person who basically ride a bicycle, a horse, any animal, and a bike, scooter. These are rider. What is a driver? A driver who drives a four-wheeler, like a car, like a bus, like a tempo, and like a truck. Okay, now who is the pilot? This is the basically, a pilot is a person who flies plane, any kind of the plane. So this is rider, driver, and pilot. This is the basic difference between a rider and driver. Okay, or there could be another rule for specify between the rider and driver is that wherever we drive in a, means surrounded, we are just sitting somewhere there which is surrounded by the boundaries, like a car, like a truck, and like a drive. But when we ride basically a place where we can just sit cross-legged. Cross-legged means like bicycle, we just sit on the seat cross-legged there. We just sit on the horse cross-legged. We animal like elephant riding. Elephant. So elephant is a animal, and we sit on the back of the elephant cross-legged there. So this is basically difference between a rider and a driver. So yes, now let's move on. So basically we were talking about the driver and a do and does. Now we will move another sentence here, like speak English. We have word speak English. स्पीक इंग्लिश मतलब है इंग्लिश बोलना, अंग्रेजी या इंग्लिश बोलना. अभी हम लोग इसके कुछ सेंटेंसेस देखेंगे सिंगुलर फॉर्म में, आई के इस्तेमाल के साथ, शी के यूज करके हम लोग देखेंगे. वी विल यूज ही हियर, एंड वी विल यूज अ प्लेयर लाइक सचिन तेंदुलकर. सो आई प्ले cricket is a sentence. Do I play a cricket? Do I play a cricket? Next sentence with the use of she. She play or plays cricket. Does she play or plays cricket? Now next, Now, and another word, Sachin, with the use of Sachin. Sachin play and plays cricket. Do or does Sachin play and plays cricket? I have told you the difference between this. Now, this is your task for your homework. You will have to do right. Should we use do and does here? Should we use do and does here? And we have got do and does here in the last sentence. You can see here. So this is your homework. We will talk later after the sentences. Once you just do it in your homework. Thank you very much. Welcome and thank you for coming here on the VSA Academy. Thank you very much.